You know when the cochlear is on, when you see the latch. When it's down, it means it's off. When it's up, it's on. Again, I'll show you because there's a red light that'll flash one time to show you that it's on. So here, off. You see the red light. It means it's on now and it's working. For the Med L Opsis 2 cochlear, they have two options. First one is a child's, it's an extra small one, and the second one's an adult, and it's just a little bit bigger. And the second one also has 3 batteries versus the child has 2. You will know when you need to change the batteries when it starts blinking, but fast. It's red light. Just blinking and blinks like this. It'll blink fast. So you can see here, this white part will blink fast. So to replace the battery, first you need to pull this flap down, pull it down so you'll see here. This is up, and you pull it down. You pull this part off, and to get the batteries out, you use the magnet for the cochlear. You use that part, and you hold it here, then they're off. Now, if you want to replace the batteries you need are A675P. So you need those batteries, and here's a picture so you can see. Now that you've removed the batteries, you want to replace them. You'll see when you open your batteries, they have a green sticker. It's not always green, but they have 2 plus signs. Like so. You want to remove the stickers. And you'll see here it has an X. Again. You want the X facing up. And you put them in. Like so. Now you put them in. You grab this part again, just like so. And you close the flap, like so. And you'll see the red light will flash one time. That's it. When you finish removing the batteries, you can go ahead and throw them in the trash. They're disposable batteries, so you can just go ahead and just throw them in the trash. You know when the student is receiving sound, when the light is green, it'll blink green, and it'll be back here, and you'll see it. It'll be blinking. And you want to make sure the magnet is attached to the head. Also, you want to make sure it's on the right ears. Each ear has its own cochlear, so the right one and the left one. To make sure you always have the right ear, you maybe want to just label with a color sticker or just R and L to just make sure you always have your students' ears on correctly. So let's just say like something happens and there's an accident, you break the coil. What you do to replace the coil is, again, like before when we replaced the batteries, you pull the flap down. I'm going to move it around. You pull this part off. And there's a little part right here that you want to pull down. As you see, it's this. And now what you do is you pull this entire thing off. Now you can remove, with a little bit of force, you can pull off the coil. Right here. Now that the coil is off, like so, you'll see there's a red just arrow right. The red arrow means that needs to face up to put it back in. Finish. Grab the battery pack. Now you grab this. It's what holds everything together. And you slide it. You just slide it back in. Now that that's finished, you slide this back on and you close the flap. And now you finish changing the coil. Now you have your cochlear ready for use and you want to put it on your student. What you need to do is put it on, and this goes back here. But you have to kind of feel around to see where the attachment is because it's different for each student. So you feel around. If you have, again, sorry to emphasize, but if you have a student with a bilateral 2 cochlears, you want to make sure the right cochlear is on the right ear, the left cochlear is on the left ear. And you kind of feel around and you'll feel it attach and you're ready for use. And you want to make sure that that green light is flickering. If you